In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an image higher quality in Photoshop using a simple step-by-step method that actually works in 2026. If you've ever tried to upscale an image and it turned out blurry or pixelated, this method will fix that and give you a much sharper, cleaner, and more professional result. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you a quick tip that makes a huge difference. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to upscale the image, which is the most important step. Go to the top menu, click on Image, then select Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus I to open it quickly. Once the window appears, make sure that resample is turned on. This is very important because it allows Photoshop to actually add pixels instead of just stretching the image. Now, under the resample dropdown, choose Preserve Details 2.0. This is one of the best options for upscaling images while keeping details intact. Next, increase the width and height of your image. I recommend going somewhere between 150% to 200% depending on how much you want to enlarge it. You'll also see a Reduce Noise slider. Set this between 10 and 20% to avoid grainy results. Once everything looks good, click OK. You should already see a noticeable improvement. Now let's move on to sharpening the image to bring back those fine details. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Then go to Filter, scroll down to Other and select High Pass. In the High Pass window, set the radius between 1 and 2 pixels. This will highlight the edges without overdoing it. Click OK and then change the blend mode of this layer to Overlay. Instantly your image will look sharper and more defined. Next, we're going to improve clarity with a quick boost using Camera Raw. Go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. Inside this panel, increase texture to around +10 and clarity to +10. Then head over to the Details panel and slightly increase the sharpening. Don't overdo it, just enough to enhance the details naturally. Once you're happy with the look, click OK. And just like that, your image should now look sharper, cleaner, and much higher in quality without looking artificial. This combination works incredibly well for most images. Quick tip before you go. The best combo for consistent results is using Preserve Details 2.0 during upscaling along with the high pass sharpening method. It's simple, fast, and very effective. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.